Hi, I'm Hanna Prowse, and my partner is Layla Fernandez, and we have the biome freshwater wetlands. We're going to start with characteristics. The freshwater wetlands are home to many different wetlands, including marshes, ponds, large lakes, and rivers. Something that is commonly found in the wetlands is flooding. A plus side to all that water coming in is water filtering. Wetlands provide clean, filtered water to its many species living there. And of course, the obvious thing is freshwater wetlands are very beautiful, ranging from their plants and animals to their abiotic traits. We also have some pictures on our slides. One is of a lake, one is of the marshes, and one is of the plants that you can find in the freshwater wetlands. Okay, so next we're going to be talking about the food chain. The bottom of the freshwater wetlands food chain starts with the producers, including bacteria, detritus, and phytoplankton. Phytoplankton is like plankton from SpongeBob SquarePants. Anyways, the producers are then consumed by mussels, crabs, mudworms, midges, and amphipods, which are the primary consumers. Next in line are the secondary consumers. These are all the different species of fish in the freshwater wetlands. Last but not least on the food chain are the hereditary consumers, which are all the species of birds in the wetlands, and of course the humans. As you can see, there is a photo of the freshwater wetlands food chain, and you can kind of just follow it from the bottom to the top to figure it out. Also, I apologize if I have said any of these species names wrong. Okay, so moving now on to endangered species. There are a lot of different species that call the freshwater wetlands their home. Although the wetlands provide a great home for many, there are a lot of species that are endangered. The majority of the reasons for the animals' endangerment is human activity. Some of these animals include the snail kite, American alligator, eastern indigo snake, wood stork, and the Florida panther. I couldn't find anything on any endangered plant species, so I'm guessing that's good that there's none. And now to the survival backpack. To survive the freshwater wetlands, here are a few supplies you're probably going to need. First, you'll need weapons such as machetes and spears for building shelter, hunting, and defending yourself. You're going to want either a lot of water or a water filter to ensure your water is safe to drink. At night, you're going to want a flashlight, sleeping bag, and maybe some flint to help start a fire, unless you know how to make it with wood. Then good for you. If you're going to build a shelter for yourself, you'll want some type of rope and some kind of bedding for the cold ground. Lastly, the most important thing you'll need is appropriate clothing. This includes a warm raincoat, bucket hat, or like some kind of rain hat, high rain boots, long waterproof pants, under t-shirt, and a pair of shorts. Hopefully you know that you need to bring a pair of underwear, not just one pair, a lot of pairs of underwear, and some warm socks. Now, as you can see, there are 4 pictures on the screen, one of a flashlight, one of a machete, one of a bucket hat, and one of tall rain boots. And all these things you're probably going to need if you're going to try to survive the freshwater wetland. Alright, now we're going to be moving on to human impact. The freshwater wetlands affect parts of our lives, and we also play a role in its ecosystem. Wetlands provide fish clean water and also help block and soak up flooding for humans. Although the wetlands do that for us, we aren't so nice to the wetlands. Humans pollute the water, which unfortunately contributes to all the endangered animals living in the water and or drinking the water. Humans also are tearing down and taking away species home, which again is not helping all the endangered animals out. The freshwater wetlands is a very beautiful biome, so we should start trying to help keep it clean. That concludes all my slides, and so now I'm going to pass it on to Layla.